Welcome to the Yes Jess cooking show. This is the most I will cook ever in the kitchen.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine.
What's up, Yes Tribe? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are all having a great day, a great morning. A lot of you guys ask me, Jess, what do you eat throughout the day? Well, more importantly, what do you eat for breakfast? Because I think breakfast is a hard meal to eat healthy because nobody wants to wake up and then feel sluggish after breakfast, right? So you want to wake up, feel energized, and feed your body with the right protein, most importantly. We are saying yes to my favorite morning shake. But this is not just any shake. This is the best protein shake you are ever going to make and taste in your entire life. Yep. Okay, well, that might be a big exaggeration, but I seriously have this shake every single morning. It's healthy, it's full of the right proteins and vitamins, and it actually keeps you full until lunch. How does that sound? So let's get shaken. So for this shake, what you're gonna need is ice, protein powder. This is from Herbalife chocolate, it's the best. Some milk. I'm lactose intolerant, so I'm going with unsweetened vanilla almond milk. You could do rice milk, oat milk. If you drink milk, you could do whole milk. Whatever your jam is, you go with that. Cinnamon, stevia, because I like to make it extra sweet. Now, I like to do I already had it ready. This is my cook and show. I like to do about, I would say about 2.5. So I do like 2 heaping scoops and then just a little extra. Because I love my chocolate, you know. I would say about a handful of ice. Maybe we'll put a little bit more in. Just thickens it up. We like it nice and thick. Okay, get your mind out of the gutter. I'm gonna do 1 cup of almond milk. This one is unsweetened vanilla, but whatever kind of milk you want to use, you can do that. You could also just do water if you want. I love me some cinnamon. So this is half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Because I like it extra sweet, I like to add stevia. I'm gonna add 2 packets of stevia. Now let's talk about the extras. So if you want to have your coffee with your shake in the morning, you can totally add some cold brew. Right now, I'm not drinking coffee because coffee kind of makes my skin break out. So I'm just doing tea. But if you wanted to add coffee, it does taste delicious. And it gives you that little kick with the caffeine. But I'm gonna hold off for now. Okay. So here we go. Put the lid on. Turn the blender on and go. The moment we've all been waiting for. Yummy! This is what gets me up in the morning. So cheers. Oh, I'm sorry. So freaking good. When I say this is the best protein shake you will ever make in your entire life, I am not lying. It is so good. It's healthy. It has all the right protein, vitamins. It'll keep you full until lunch. OMG, this is the best. I think this is the best protein shake in the entire world. The true test is to call up some friends and see what they think. So I'm gonna call up 2 friends. They're gonna try the shake how I have it right here, what I make every single morning.
Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet, wanna drink my wine. Wanna move my feet.
All right, so I called up some friends. Please meet Moose. He is my camera guy, an amazing camera guy, and he's not just good behind the camera, he's also a dancer. He likes to perform in front of the camera as well. Mackenzie, my process C optimization manager. How did I say it right?
That was perfect.
She collects all my popcorns and helps me with all of my emails and campaigns. She's amazing. All right, so I called him up to try the best protein shake in the entire world. But I want to hear it from them. Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers, cheers.
Ooh, so good.
Cinnamon, nutmeggy, spicy.
Spicy.
I like this.
I like that sweet but not too sweet. Like it's right in the middle where you like it.
Yeah. Nice.
That's thick actually, and
Yep.
not just.
We like it thick.
Mm.
So good, right?
Can I have the rest?
Oh yeah.
Okay, good.
You can finish it. Bottoms up. Moose, how long did it take me to make it?
2 minutes and 32 seconds.
2 minutes and 32 seconds. Everybody has 2 minutes and 32 seconds to make a protein shake to fuel their body with the right food in the morning. It is so important to work out about 30 minutes a day, but also to really stay healthy, fit, and strong and feel sexy and confident. You need to eat healthy. 80% is also what you fill your body with. And this shake, it takes no time. It's easy. It's a great breakfast option, and I make it every single morning. And are you guys going to now?
I'm in.
Oh yeah.
They're in. Don't steal it. So if you are interested in my full workout and nutrition plan, or if you actually want one-on-one coaching with me, please email me. My email is right below. I would love to help you out because I know you can do it. And when you try this shake, please let me know what you think in the comments below. I love you guys. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye. Ah.